Is the Modi government now planning to lie in our country's census? A report in The Hindu suggests that the government is trying to hide the reality of how many Indians still don't have access to basic facilities such as toilets. Every Indian needs to know about these three revelations in this report to ensure that we don't get fooled when the census data gets released next year. The first one is on open defecation. The government declared India open defecation free back in the year 2019. But while conducting the census exercise this year in rural areas of states like Rajasthan, officers have found several houses that don't have toilets and people are forced to defecate in the open. And you don't even have to believe this report for this. In 2021, 2 years after the government's open defecation free claim, the Health Ministry's National Family Health Survey showed that 19% of Indian households don't use any toilet facility and they still defecate in the open. And I can tell you that I've experienced this myself. I had to urinate in the open when I was in a village in Odisha just last year for a project. So when officers reported this ground reality in the census, they were reportedly asked by their seniors to hide this. These officers were reportedly asked to go back and check if households have a toilet nearby, even at a neighbor's or a relative's residence, and if they do, that should be counted as them having access to a toilet. The second point is on internet connection. According to the Hindu's report, Rajasthan's Director of Census Operations has written a letter to all census functionaries. In this letter, he showed internet connection as available even for households that did not even have any phone, basic smartphone or landline. Third, some officials said that if they record that a household has a tin roof, they are asked by their superiors to change it to a concrete roof. Some officials have also reported that certain households are still using wood, dung cakes and kerosene while government data shows that they have LPG connections. In such cases where the ground reality doesn't match the government's claims, the Hindu says that officials have been asked to revisit such places and correct the data discrepancies. Now, census officials say that this is not data tampering. It's a normal practice to ensure that ground officers have correctly understood the concepts and recorded data. But on-ground census officials suggest that they are being asked to lie. Officials have reportedly said that they have simply been asked to not select options that show the government in poor light. Now, the census is not just a count of our country's population. It also measures people's socio-economic status and access to basic facilities. Over the last few years, from manual scavenging deaths to paper leaks, the government has simply been denying the existence of several of its failures instead of fixing them. Now, if they do the same in one of the most crucial and trusted government surveys, the census, which data can even be considered credible anymore? Tell us what you think in the comments and do follow Peak TV for more such stories every day.